friends. Today we're going to play Guess That Sound. We are going to listen and we won't be able to see, but we are going to use our ears to hear that sound. Are you ready to play with me? I found some things in my home that make noise and you can guess what they are. And you can play this at home too by looking around for things that make noise in your home and telling your families to close their eyes and use their ears to listen to see if they can guess what sound you're making. Okay, friends, let's listen with our ears. I'm going to make a sound. Let me know if you know what that noise is. Listen. Can you guess what it is? It's scissors. Listen. Scissors make a sound. Okay, let's try with something else that I found. Listen with your ears. Okay, listen to this sound. Ready? Friends, what do you think that is? It's a bag. Bags make a lot of sound. That's what I found in my home. Okay, listen with your ears. Okay, ready for the next sound? Can you guess what that is? Sounds wet. I'm shaking it. Okay, what is it? It's juice. Can you hear it? When you shake juice or liquid in a bottle, it makes a sound. Squish, squish, squish. Okay, listen with your ears. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see if you can hear it. It sounds like a clicky sound. Can you guess what clicky sound I found? It's a flashlight. When you click a flashlight on and off, it makes a sound. Flashlights help you see when it's dark. And those are the fun things that I found in my home that make some noise. And I'm sure there's lots more that make noise. So when you look around your house, you can play this game. It's called Guess That Sound. Okay, hope you had fun. Thanks for guessing. Bye-bye.